Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this effect in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep getting content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So first of all, I also created a new project. So first we need an element, shape, and add this rounded square and increasing the size a bit. And I would like to show you a small trick. So when you just grab one of the corner, very easy to make a rectangle from the square. But when you hold the shift button, regardless what I do, moving up, down, left, right, the aspect ratio is not changing. This is a pretty cool thing. So in this case, the square is still a square. Go into position and middle center, like this. And change the color to any. And now just a bit playing with this green. Let we have something like this. Okay. So now I go into the text, add heading, and just type like Canva. Select the text, change the color to white, go into the fonts and add something what we want, like the Anton, increasing the size a bit by bit smaller, yeah, and just move into the center. And now, just downloading this image as a PNG, sorry, and moving back, increasing the size, and removing the background. So when I go into the edit and scrolling down to the shadows, I need the drop shadow, and I just click on the settings. We can play with the intensity, also with the distance. You can see we can move it for further. Also the angle, we can change the angle of the shadow. Just moving like to here. And also the blur amount. We can absolutely blur up the shadow or just keep it like unblur, like let's see, you can see that's behind just another black square. I just blur it and increase the intensity a bit. No, the blur has to be a bit down. And the distance has to be reduced to like 30, not so much. Intensity, just a bit. Angle is good. So, and we can also make some more thing, just moving the whole image and changing the background color to some gradient, which is matching with this color more or less. Now you can see it better what we are doing. So I'm going back to the edit and still the shadow, the drop shadow. Here now we can a bit play with more the higher intensity like this with a less blur. Angle is good. Distance is like this, and then we created this kind of you can see some kind of a 3D layer with the text, and actually that was what I would like to achieve. As you can see now, that's a pretty cool 3D-ish effect with a few easy steps. But now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section, first of all, to feed the algorithm and let me reach more and more people with my tutorials. And of course, if you're struggling anything in a Canva, just let me know, or just have any question about Canva, and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of this video where you can find links for my TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook pages, where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in a Facebook page. And of course, on Instagram and TikTok pages, you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. As I already mentioned, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.